Hey vlog, welcome to our new place. Today, I'm going to walk you guys through our empty apartment tour. We just got our keys, so I'm just going to walk through and show you guys our new home. It's so beautiful, I'm at a loss for words. I feel like this is my dream come true, and we are so lucky and fortunate to be able to live here. So honestly, it doesn't feel super real, but we are, yeah, it's going to be such an exciting chapter of our lives, and we're just excited to bring you guys along. So thanks for watching, you guys, and let's just get into it. There's quite a bit of commotion happening. They're actually doing construction right next door, which may or may not be the end of us, but it's okay. We do the things we need to do because we love the space that we're in. If you hear some commotion, that's probably why. But this is the kitchen, and it's my dream kitchen. We have like butter yellow cabinets, and it's literally my dream. And the most beautiful layout, you guys, like, oh my gosh. Okay, let's start here. Like, look at that kitchen. Truly, when I tell you, the dream. I'm gonna make dinners here for people. Like, oh gosh, these beautiful marble countertops. For as long as I've known, I've always wanted Calcutta Viola countertops, and this is just the dream. Love some exposed shelving and a hidden hood. Love a good hidden dishwasher. Come on, you guys, like, oh, I should probably figure out how to actually use that, but I swear there's a dishwasher behind here. Dreamy cabinet space, dreamy light, you guys. The cooking vlogs, the lifestyle vlogs are about to pop off. We're here for it. Okay, all right, that was the kitchen. This is our formal dining room, and it is so beautiful. You'll see there's a beautiful arch that leads right into our dining space. I can't wait to show you guys. We've not had a formal dining room since moving to LA, and we've not had an official dining table or set, so we're just so excited to host in here, and I just think it's such a beautiful space, and I'm so excited for you guys to check it out. And this is our living room. Our entrance is right here, but I'm not going to show you where we live, but this is our living room. Lots of gorgeous space flowing into our bedrooms and bathrooms. I might lose you light-wise. So the trade-off that we've had is having gorgeous light in the living room, dining room, and then the kitchen. It gets a little dark back here, but I figured, you know what, for our dream space, we don't spend a ton of time during the day in the bedrooms anyway. It's just mostly, obviously, to rest and sleep. So we figured we're fine with our living space being super bright because we both work from home. So those are the two bedrooms, and they're quite spacious. Again, it's dark. It's not my favorite thing, but we're gonna work with it, and maybe we'll have like lighting in here to make it beautiful. But this is our bathroom. She's cute. Beautiful. I can't. Just imagine the getting ready with me content. Laundry room right next to the bathroom. We've got some great storage in here. Goes all the way to the top. And then this is Drew and I's bedroom. And they came with wardrobes too, which are pretty like standard, but they'll do the trick. Like, that's cute. So, yeah. Another closet. So, pretty deep. So, anyway. Okay, I know I just like kind of breezed right through the back, but we're so excited to be in this space, and we can't wait to show you more. But yeah, this was our little like empty home vlog, and in the coming weeks we'll be slow rolling the work that we do in here to really make it our own. In a lot of ways, when we moved to LA, we really started from scratch. And so this is definitely that. It's going to take some time, but we're so excited to be in this space, to be living in it. The movers will be here tomorrow to help us move all of our big furniture, so I'll vlog some of that as well, but I hope this was fun, just to be taken through this space. I'm beyond grateful. So, I love you guys. It's so good to share this with you guys now because we've been sitting on this apartment for quite some time. I think we secured it as of January, so it's been a long time coming. I've like kind of kept it a secret for the most part, apart from like maybe TikTok if you follow me there. Anyway, I love you guys and I'll see you in a little bit. I think the next time we'll see each other is probably be tomorrow when our movers kind of help us get here. So hopefully this isn't like chaos, but I'm just so excited I couldn't like help myself. Anyway, I love you guys. It's a dream. Stay tuned.